Hello, and welcome back to our series. Today, we are going to learn how to customize our automated appointment confirmation emails. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and look for Automations. Then go to the App Automations tab. And over here, look for Send Clients an Email Confirmation when they book. Once you find it, click on the three-dot button that corresponds to it and select Edit. Now, click on Send an Email here. And here on the left, make sure to edit your sender details. Input your preferred sender's name as well as your preferred email address that you'd like to use. Then click on Save. Wix will send you a code on the email you put, so make sure to input the correct code over here. Once you input the code, click on Confirm, and then click on Save. All right, so our sender details have been taken care of. We're now going to scroll down below to the Create an Email section, then click on Edit. And this is where you can work on your email content. Your email will be composed of stacked sections, as you may notice. And since this is an automated email, most, if not all, your elements and content here will be dynamic. That means all of the essential info here will automatically be added, such as your client's name, the service they booked, the date they booked, etc. So feel free to edit your email however you want to. You can use the tools here, such as the Add button, where you can find additional elements you may want to add to your email. If you'd like to decorate your email, you can go to Themes and select a theme that you'd like to use for your email. You can also add a background to your email if you want. You can use the backgrounds that they have here, or you can use your very own image. It's all up to you. Once you're done, make sure to review all of your changes. You can also preview and test it if you want to. And if everything's all good, you can then click on Save and Continue now, and then click on Publish Changes. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.